Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff here. Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff is taping you from a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I will be running my Panasonic dirt sensor upright vacuum. And I will be running my machine. It works fantastic. I bought this on Thursday when I was with Lucy Toe that day. I bought this vacuum brand new. And I bought it really amazed. And this machine does remind me of my dad. Used to have that machine back in the 90s. My dad really used to have this vacuum a long time ago. My mom and dad really had that vacuum throughout the 1995 until the year of 97. I think they had that machine throughout the 95 and 97. First of all, they really had some good vacuums during their times. They had this machine for about probably 3 or 4 years until the year 97 when it started to break. And because my dad really used to have this machine and he really loved it, and he really enjoyed using this one because when the motor got burned out by the year 97, and also, after that, my dad ended up getting a Eureka, the Boss Plus, the black and green brand. Was made in the year 97, and he bought the black Eureka, the Boss Plus. It's the black and green mint brand. He actually did buy it. He bought that vacuum over at Kmart back in the day. He actually did bought it years ago. And he bought this Panasonic probably at Walmart or maybe Target, maybe Kmart, I believe. And first of all, I'm here to let you know I'll be running this vacuum cleaner in the vlog. I'll run it for you guys instead of me talking, okay? Well, everybody, this is the one my dad really technically had, and also everybody, I'm gonna be running this machine. 3, 2, 1, action! everybody. Well, for first of all, everybody, this was a great video today, and for first of all, I wanted to make sure you guys click thumbs up and click on the comics what you like to see. I will see you in the next video, and make sure click the red button to subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell to notify me, and click on the comics what you like to see for the next video, and I will see you then. Bye!